Well, we're still going to be dealing with some gusty winds today, although not as strong as yesterday. We had winds gusting 50 to 55 miles per hour. Those were the highest wind gusts I could find. Today, more like 25 to 30, but enough to still have an impact on how it feels outside, especially this morning. We're still going to be dealing with sub-zero wind chills. They'll head to the single digits for the afternoon as the winds diminish. So it is an impact day because of those cold wind chill readings. Milder temperatures do head our way as we head into the 10-day forecast, further into the 10-day, I should say. And we are watching a couple of systems that could bring us a little wintry mix, maybe a little rain, a little snow. I'll highlight those here coming up in just a little bit. Temperature and wind chill together. Yeah, highs are only going to make it into the upper teens. This morning we're in the single digits with the winds. It feels like almost 10 below zero. And at times I've seen those numbers even colder. But once we get past, I would say, lunchtime, we see those numbers heading into the single digits. So a slight improvement until we head into the evening and overnight period. Winds will still gust, as I mentioned, 25 to 30 miles per hour. But as we head through the evening hours, they really start to ease up, especially overnight. But even with a 5 to 10 mile per hour breeze, that's still going to have an impact on how it feels outside overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Plenty of sunshine expected today, so at least we have that going for us. But again, you're still going to want to bundle up, especially this morning with those dangerous wind chills still expected. Now, overnight tonight, with mostly clear skies, we've got temperatures dropping into the single digits once again, and with that 5 to 10 mile per hour breeze, it's going to feel anywhere from 0 to 10 below tomorrow morning. So another frigid start to the day. We do head into the 20s tomorrow. We're talking mid to upper 20s, and you can see we'll have a increasing cloud, so a little more cloud cover during the afternoon. Winds, though, much lighter, only about 5 miles per hour. Right now, we have temperatures sitting at 7 in Lebanon, 5 in Lancaster and Lewistown, 9 in Carlisle and York, and we've got 12 in Chambersburg. Winds are anywhere from 3 in Selinsgrove, 20 in Chambersburg, 9 in Lancaster, enough to have an impact. It feels like 9 below in Lancaster and Carlisle, 12 below in Lewistown, 6 below in Chambersburg. We do have mostly clear skies as we check out our Storm Team Live radar network. It's quiet. It's going to stay quiet today and even into tomorrow thanks to high pressure. It's that high pressure system that's going to get rid of these blustery conditions as it builds closer throughout the day today and into the evening hours. Just some passing clouds, but plenty of sunshine. Clear tonight. We start off with sunshine tomorrow, and then the clouds will build in through the afternoon hours, mix with that sunshine, and the high pressure system moves to the south. So what that does is brings our winds in from the south-southeast. That's going to help to moderate temperatures a little bit, but it does produce clouds for Tuesday. We get into the warmer sector here. Cold front will come through, it looks like, early Wednesday morning, but notice not a lot of precipitation. We thought we would get something out of this. At most, we may get some flurries overnight into early Wednesday morning. We have had a streak of 16 days of morning lows not even touching 20 degrees. That's tied for, actually, it's in the top 4 in terms of coldest stretches. We've got 3 more days this morning, tomorrow, and Tuesday with temperatures below 20. We finally get above average for morning lows by Wednesday, and we'll stay close to that as we head through the 10-day. But afternoon readings, they'll head above freezing finally on Tuesday. We get close to 40 on Wednesday. Some areas may touch 40 degrees. The average is 40. By the end of the week, it's 42. And we drop back below average towards the end of the week. Now, the system we're watching is Saturday into Sunday for the President's Day weekend. Right now, still have that chance for rain and or snow showers. Timing's still a question mark, but we'll keep you posted. Temperatures stay in the mid-30s.